Hi Year 3, week number 4 of the challenges now. Okay, I hope you've all been enjoying the ones that we've been setting at home so far. Looking forward to seeing how many of you get on with last week's challenge. Okay, this week we're going to try and do some difficult, we've got some little challenges to do with catching and a bit of basketball at the same time. I haven't got a basketball at home, but I have got a football. Okay, so what you're going to need for this is some sort of ball that's a medium size, so not a big yoga ball, but not a small tennis ball. Okay. Try and use something similar size to this, or if you've got basketball, great, use your basketball. Okay, I'm going to show you all 3 challenges now, and then let me know how you guys get on. Okay, all the best. So, part number 1 of the challenge is the easiest bit. Okay, so on this one, all you're going to do, we're going to do some bouncing and clap, and then the catch. Okay, so it's going to be a bit faster than usual, because obviously you're using a ball which is heavier than some of the lighter objects that we've used in the past. Okay. So you've got to bounce it, clap, catch. Bounce it, clap, catch, okay? If you can do more than 1 clap, go for it, okay? I'm just showing you the simple way, so if you want to do 2 or 1, 2, 3, or even if you can do more, then fantastic. But if you can, 1 is the minimum requirement for the claps, okay? If you can do more, great. Have a go, and the way to challenge yourself on this is to see how many you can do in a row before you fail to catch it, okay? So I might be clapping and then forget about the catch and I miss the catch. That's my go over, okay? So if I do 5, so I go, and then I do 5 of them in a row and then I drop the 6th, 5 is my score, okay? Then I've got to try and beat that score during the week, okay? That's part number 1 of the challenge. Part number 2, a little bit more difficult, okay? So on this one, you're gonna bounce the ball, and then you've got to clap behind your back and then catch the ball, okay? So I'm going clap, catch, clap, okay? So I've got to bounce the ball, trying to keep my eye on the ball, see how many times in a row I can clap behind my back before I catch the ball, okay? This one is only 1, I'm not expecting you to do 2 claps behind your back, okay? Because that'd be rather difficult. So just 1 clap, but you've got to make sure that you catch the ball after you've clapped, okay? If the ball bounces twice, that's the end of that round. So if I go to clap and the ball bounces again before I catch it, that's the end of my go, okay? So however many I got in a row, that would be my score, and then I have to then try and attempt it again during the week to try and beat that score, okay? That's part number 2. Okay, Year 3. Part number 3, the most difficult one. This is going to be the bounce, spin and catch, okay? So don't be throwing it really hard to the floor that it bounces to near the ceiling and hits your lights and getting me in trouble, okay? It's not allowed to go above your head on the bounce. So the bounce is only allowed to go in line with your head, okay? If it goes above your head, that's the end of that go, okay? So all you've got to do, you've got to bounce the ball, spin around and catch it before the ball hits the ground the second time, okay? So you're going to bounce it, spin and catch, okay? Bounce it, spin and catch. So again, you've got to see how many you can do in a row. If the ball bounces twice, that's the end of your go. Or if you fail to catch the ball after the spin, that is also the end of your go. Okay? Good luck with all 3 challenges. Let me know how you get on. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.